Hi, this is Roger. Thanks for dropping by. I'm going to fire off an idea and I need answers. Most of the people that watch my bonsai channel and or my gardening channel have gone across to those channels from here on the Orchid Channel. The majority of the viewers on both of those channels came from here. Now, okay, some have come in from, searches and found the channels, but I have an idea. Bearing in mind, you good people from the Orchid Channel are the majority of the audience on both of those other channels. I've got one of them monetized and one I'm struggling with. So how about we merge the two together into the one that's already monetized, and I rename it Roger's New Garden and Bonsai Trees. And basically we leave the gardening channel as it is, but all new gardening videos go onto the bonsai channel along with any bonsai videos that I do. Now, this is only an idea. I've got to run this past what will be the majority of the audience for that single channel. So ideas on a postcard, please. And make sure they're printable. No swear words, all that sort of stuff. But yeah, your comments would be appreciated. Now, if you are a person that doesn't get involved with the bonsai or the gardening channel, then this isn't for you. Yeah? But for those that have gone across to one or the other, and in quite a lot of cases both, how much of a big deal would it be if they were merged together? Does this sound like a good idea? It's not difficult for me to do. Changing the title of the YouTube channel is not a big deal. And where I post new videos is entirely up to me. So there we go. And just as a bit of info, in case you hadn't noticed, there is a new bonsai video on the Bonsai Channel. It's just a look at my deciduous trees in their winter nudity, so to speak. Anyway, what do you think of this idea to get the gardening channel going quicker by not trying to get it going by just merging it in with the one that's already monetized and make it a single second channel in addition to the orchid stuff? It won't overtake it. All those who are panicking, oh, he's going to forget his orchids. No, he's not. The orchids always come first. Do you know, these birds are getting bold. It's only the sparrows, but they don't take any notice of me anymore. I'm stood here in full view. They're just not taking any notice. They just carry on. I wish some of the other birds did as well. But again, the film of the bird feeders that I do tended to go on the gardening channel. Well, that'll go on the joint channel. So there we go. That's the idea. And also, just to let you know, I've got an Orchid Society meeting on Saturday with a long committee meeting preceding it. So there won't be any videos for Saturday. And we will have a normal Sunday chat on Sunday, just for a change, where it should be. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for dropping by.